Hi, this is Kwiatkowski from Food Finder. This is a presentation for TADHack Enterprise Connect 2020. So what is Food Finder? Right now, with the coronavirus shutting down entire states, local businesses like restaurants are having a real hard time connecting with customers. For example, in Michigan, pretty much all restaurants are shut down for dine-in service. Normal directories like Google, Yelp, and other places just are not doing a good job of keeping track of which businesses are open and which ones are closed. With that, people are unable to leave their homes to find their favorite restaurants. Food Finder is a website that is a basic directory of non-chain restaurants, local restaurants that are open for business and doing delivery and carry-out service in different areas. This allows customers to be able to search for their favorite restaurant and figure out which ones are available based on location, type of food, and all that stuff. One of the big issues is most local restaurants don't do delivery service, don't have online ordering. So keeping directories up to date is also a very monumental task, especially in situations where businesses are closing or changing their services by the day. Food Finder also has a service on the back end that auto-validates businesses to figure out if they are currently open and closed and what services that they're offering, simply by calling them on the phone. So how does it work? A customer is able to either use a desktop PC, a smartphone, or traditional phone call to connect with the service. If they're on a desktop PC, they can actually place phone calls using WebRTC to connect directly to the restaurants. WebRTC is using the API Days WebRTC API. Users on a phone call can call in, and they call into an Asterisk PBX that's currently running that's connected with Google Dialog Flow that performs some AI to be able to connect them to the right place. For the verification side, Food Finder uses Intelepeer Atmosphere SmartFlow to place outbound calls to validate that the business is actually up and operational, and they can by asking a series of questions directly on the phone. So the technologies in this particular project are Asterisk PBX, API Days, and Intelepeer. So let's show what we got going on. This is the Food Finder website. As you can see, it's a very simple looking website here that you can do really neat searches on. So for example, if I'm looking for American food, I can see all the different places that serve American food. Or if I want Mexican, I can search for Mexican. Or if I want something in, let's say, Rio Town, which is a neighborhood in this area, that shows all the places in Rio Town. Pretty much the type of searches and the taxonomy that's stored about the businesses is pretty complicated. But the searching is easy. So what if we want to actually call one of these places? Let's go and place a phone call to the Fleetwood Diner right through the website. We can just click right here and we hit place call.
Thank you. Just a moment while I connect you.
And right now we're calling the Fleetwood Diner. There's not anybody there right now, so we're not going to continue that demo. But this uses WebRTC. Another thing that we can show is what the website looks like on the Android. So if I pull up my emulator, I can go to the website and see the exact same thing right here. Again, I can do my searching for any place that does pizza. And if I wanted to call this, it actually uses the native dialer from within the device. I can also call into the application and show what happens when I go through my Asterisk PBX.
Thank you for calling. Just a quick moment while I connect you with an agent.
How can I help you?
I'm looking for pizza.
Nice. Where in town are you thinking?
Old Town.
There are two places that would probably work. Ozone's Brewhouse has takeout. East Cafe has delivery and takeout.
And then I can connect to the users right from there. Finally, I wanted to show the verification system. This is a very rudimentary system here, but the more important thing is I can have it automatically validate. So I'm going to have it call my soft phone here so you can hear what's going on. So it's making the phone call. And I can answer the call. And just by using my voice.
Hello, this is Food Finder. I was wondering if you had a few moments to answer 2 questions so we can update our website if you are still open because of the coronavirus.
Yes.
Do you currently have carryout available?
Yes.
Are you currently doing delivery?
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time. I hope to talk to you again soon.
And the call is hung up. That's pretty much my demo. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Team or on Slack or the web chat. Thanks and have a great day.